Ever wondered how to whip up a healthy meal in no time? Well, today you're in for a treat. We're journeying through the world of quick and easy healthy recipes. Grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, we have a classic with a twist: quinoa salad. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. While that's simmering away, chop up a mix of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes. The more colourful, the better. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and let it cool. Then mix the quinoa with the veggies. Drizzle some olive oil, squeeze a lemon, sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper, and voila! A vibrant, nutrient-packed quinoa salad is ready to enjoy. Next on the menu is a comforting bowl of veggie stir-fry. Heat a splash of sesame oil in a large wok or frying pan. Toss in a mix of sliced vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snow peas, and more. Stir-fry these until they're tender yet crunchy. Add in a splash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a dash of ginger for an Asian-inspired flavor profile. Serve it hot and savor the warmth of this delicious stir-fry. Our third recipe is a refreshing Greek yogurt parfait. Begin by layering Greek yogurt in a glass or a jar. Top it with a handful of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you fancy. Then add a layer of your choice of granola. Repeat these layers until your container is full, a drizzle of honey on top, and you've got a parfait that's both healthy and indulgent. The fourth recipe we're exploring is the ever-popular avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread until it's golden and crunchy. Mash half an avocado and spread it generously on the toast. Sprinkle with sea salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. For an extra protein kick, top it off with a poached or boiled egg. Simple yet so satisfying. Last but not least is a hearty chickpea salad. Rinse and drain a can of chickpeas and pour them into a bowl. Add diced tomatoes, cucumbers, and a handful of chopped parsley. Drizzle with olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and season with salt and pepper. Toss it all together, and there you have it. A protein-rich, fibre-filled salad that's sure to keep you full. So there you have it, 5 simple, healthy recipes that you can whip up in no time. From a nutrient-packed quinoa salad, a warm and comforting veggie stir-fry, a sweet and tangy Greek yogurt parfait, a hearty avocado toast, to a fibre-rich chickpea salad. Each dish is not just bursting with flavour, but also loaded with essential nutrients. So go ahead, give these recipes a try, and add a dash of health and flavour to your meals.